Order management enables businesses to efficiently track and oversee all customer orders in a single platform. Each order can progress through stages such as placed, approved, processed, shipped, and delivered, allowing businesses to monitor order status and prioritize packing or shipping with ease. Whenever a new order is placed for any product in the catalog, a real-time notification appears on the screen, keeping you instantly informed. Let's see how the platform works when your business receives a new order. After receiving an order, you can always check those by navigating to all menus and then choosing Orders under the Commerce section. By default, whenever a new order is placed, it comes under the Place tab, and it is seen as a card with a green hovering around it. By default, whenever a customer sends you a card, it will automatically be in the Place tab. Here, the customer is yet to make a payment and give the shipping address. The default chatbot will be triggered and collect the payment and address based on the catalog settings. The order management window will group the orders by the order stages. It will be grouped by the different stages, and we can see how many orders in each stage are near the order stage. You can see that each order from the different stages are listed as a single card. In the card, you can see the order ID and the customer who ordered along with the mobile number and the items which placed the order and order amount. If the customer is given the delivery address, it will be shown inside the card. Also, we can check the payment status of the order also in the card itself. In this case, the payment is pending and is indicated in orange color. After receiving the payment, it is indicated in green color along with a tick symbol. If the customer partially paid the order amount, then it will be in purple color. You can also print the order directly from the order management window by clicking the print icon by hovering each card. We can move the order from one stage to another stage by clicking the green button on each card. Each card will have the next stage as pre-selected in the button. That means if the order is placed, then it will show the confirm button, so it will move to the confirmed stage. In that stage, it will show the approve button and it will move the order to approve stage. Also, you can directly move the order to a different stage by clicking the arrow and selecting the stage you want to move the order. For example, if you want to reject the order which you are not supporting the delivery, you can directly move to the rejected stage. We can also sort the order based on the order received time and payment. Received time, which will be helpful for different purposes. By default, it will show the latest order at the top and you can process it first. But in some cases, you need to see the order based on the payment received orders at the top. So in cases, you can sort by payment received time. Also, you can select the multiple orders by clicking the select option and can move to a different stage. At a time, also you can export the orders as Excel file by clicking the Export Records button. So we can see this order, which is address and payments, which has been collected. And by default, it will be moved to confirmed stages if it's handled by default order handling chatbot. So at the confirmed stage, we see the orders which the address and the payment is collected. Then the approved stage, which is approved orders. So if you are maintaining product quantity once the order is approved, the quantity will be reduced from the stocks. Also, once the order is approved, you cannot change the order amount or items in that order. If you click on the card, you can see a detailed overview of the product which was ordered. Again, in this window, you can see the product name, its quantity, order ID, date and time at which order is placed, payment status, payment method, name, address, and contact details of who placed the order, a button to add more products, and quick actions to manage the order status easily. In the right side panel, you can always chat with the person who placed the order and keep them updated on the status of their placed order manually. If you are chatting simultaneously with two people at the same time, you may receive notifications of every new message received within the window so that no chats are missed. You can always edit any details of the placed order, including the catalog in which it is present, or order details in the edit option. Also from the window, you can add quantities if a person purchasing the order insists the same. Once the order is approved, we cannot change the order items or price. Also, the green Approve button at the top right corner of the tab is clicked so as to move the order to the next stage that is processed. After approving the order, we can see the next stage is processed, which denotes the order is processed. Once the order is processed by business, the next stage is to ship the order. Once the order is shipped, we can move the order to ship stage. After shipping the order, the next stage is delivered. So once the order is delivered, we can move the order to the delivered stage. After the delivery, we can move the order to archived stage, which has the old and archived orders list. We have also included a canceled stage to handle situations where a customer decides not to proceed with the order. When the customer informs your team, the user can simply update the status to canceled. In the on-hold stage, we can see the orders which are placed during the non-working hours of the catalog. If we enable the working hours for the catalog and the customer who placed the order on the non-working time, the order will be automatically moved to the on-hold stage. In the return stage, we can see the orders which have been delivered and the customer has returned the order. In the rejected stage, we can see all the orders which have been rejected by the business, the default chatbot which rejects the order based on the minimum order amount, delivery location based on the settings in the catalog. In the abandoned cart, we can see the orders of the customer who placed the order and didn't complete the process, so it will be moved to this stage based on the settings in the catalog. So the order automatically moved to abandoned stage, and we can use these orders to retarget the customers. Hope you got a clear-cut idea on managing orders using the platform. Use the platform to manage orders at every stage, ensuring accuracy, control, and seamless tracking throughout the entire process. Thanks for watching.